Africa has got a total of 54 countries, and each one of these countries is gifted differently. In this video, we share the 5 African countries with the best outdoor life. So if you're one of those people that loves to spend more of your time on the outside and also loves to connect with nature, definitely this is the video for you. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to share this video, like, and also subscribe to the channel so that this video can get to more people like you that would love to get this kind of information. First of all, speaking about the weather in all these 5 African countries that we are about to share in this video, for many of them, they experience only 2 seasons of weather all year round. And these 2 seasons are the wet and the dry season. So probably this is the reason as to why these countries that we are about to share in this video are some of those countries with the best outdoor lifestyle on the African continent. The 5 countries. Kenya. This is one of the most beautiful countries on the African continent. The country is naturally gifted with great wildlife, and it has a total of 23 national parks, which makes it very favorable for that outdoor lifestyle. So if you're someone who loves going and connecting with nature in terms of safari, definitely Kenya should be one of your picks on the African continent. Looking at safari parks like the Masai Mara, this has 40% of Africa's largest mammals, with big animals like elephants, giraffes, buffaloes, and so many other big mammals. And then for the beach life in Kenya, it has some of the best beaches in the world, with beaches like Nyali Beach, the beaches in Malindi, then Lamu Beach, and also the Diani Beach, which is, by the way, the longest beach on the African continent. You can't go wrong with this kind of outdoor lifestyle. So if you're someone who loves the outdoor beach lifestyle, definitely Kenya should be one of your picks on the African continent. South Africa. I just can't simply say enough about this beautiful country in the southern part of the continent. It's one of the most beautiful countries in the world with a great outdoor lifestyle. South Africa has some of the best beaches in the world, and among these we have beaches like the Dolphin Beach, the Boulders Beach that is located in Cape Town. By the way, this also offers a great view to penguins, so if you're someone that loves penguins, definitely this is one of those places, or this is one of those beaches that you should be visiting while in South Africa. There are other beaches like the Golden Mile in Durban, then Kings Beach in Eastern Cape, and so many other beaches in South Africa. So if you're someone that loves to play water sport, definitely this is one of those countries that you should be visiting when you're on the African continent. Then looking at the safari life in South Africa, you cannot miss parks like the Kruger Park. This is the biggest park in South Africa, and it offers a lot in terms of animals. While at this park, you'll be able to see animals like the elephant, then giraffes, hippos, buffaloes, zebras, the white rhino, and so many other types of animals. So this is definitely one of those places that you can visit for you to connect with nature in terms of animals. Another country that is famous for the great outdoor lifestyle is Tanzania. This East African country is famous for the Kilimanjaro mountain, which is, by the way, the tallest mountain on the African continent. So if you're someone that loves hiking, definitely this is one of those countries that you should visit because it has one of the highest peaks in the world. So definitely this is one of those places that you should be visiting while you're in East Africa. Tanzania is definitely one of those countries that you should be visiting. The country is also very big when it comes to the safari life. It has 19 national parks, with the Serengeti National Park having one of the largest animal migrations on the African continent. There are other parks like the Gombe National Park, Katavi National Park, Tarangire National Park, and many other national parks in Tanzania. Then, looking at the beach life in Tanzania, you'll be served with some of the best beaches in the world. When you visit places like Zanzibar, it has some of the best beaches in the world, like the Kendwa Beach. Then other beaches in Tanzania like the Kipepeo Beach, Paje Beach, and many other beaches that are located along the Indian Ocean. The other country is Zambia. Zambia is very famous for its safari life, with 30% of its total coverage being occupied by national parks and game reserves. The country has a total of 20 national parks, and these include the Kafue National Park, then the Kasanka National Park, Lower Zambezi National Park, and many other parks in Zambia. These parks are famous for wild animals like the wild beasts, giraffes, antelopes, zebras, and many other types of animals. So definitely these are some of those animals that you should be checking out while on your safari tour. Uganda is also one of those countries that is gifted with a great outdoor lifestyle. This East African country is gifted with great weather, which perfectly favors it in terms of the outdoor kind of lifestyle. This country is very big when it comes to tourism. It has 10 national parks, and it's famously known for gorilla trekking, which is done in the Bwindi Impenetrable National Park. But it has other national parks like the Queen Elizabeth National Park, the Kidepo National Park, and many other national parks in the country. Another thing that is very big about this East African country is the street food. The street food in Uganda is known to be very cheap and also very tasty, so this makes it a very great experience for many of the people that visit this country. While in Uganda, you'll be served with some of the best street food, and also the people in the country are very friendly people. So you'll have a great experience in terms of the outdoor lifestyle. And then another thing that you should not miss out in this great East African country is the River Nile. This is the longest river in the world, and its source is in this country of Uganda. So definitely this is one of those places that you should visit for you to have that real experience with nature. Well, those are the 5 African nations that offer a great outdoor lifestyle. But I cannot end this video without mentioning these 3 great island nations, and that is Madagascar, Seychelles, and Mauritius, because these equally offer a very great outdoor lifestyle. So in case you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to please consider subscribing to the channel, turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time I have a new video out, I get you notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch more African content here on the card.